We have a little bit of ground fog out there. That fog now starting to lift as the sun gets higher in the sky, and more sunshine on tap for this afternoon's forecast too. It does get warmer. Temperatures today right around 80 degrees, more summer-like for you. There will be a couple of pop-up showers though this afternoon. I'll have that timing, and we're still tracking a coastal system that passes well to our south. That'll bring some rain across southeastern Massachusetts and a northeast wind. So we'll have the latest timing in just a minute. Now summer heat returns next week too, when we'll see 90s again, but no 90s for today. It will be warmer, yes, and we are dealing with some of those low clouds and fog, but all the rain pushing offshore from that cold front that moved through yesterday. And then we're watching back to our west. There's an area of low pressure that's going to continue to move eastward, impacting us for your Saturday. Not for today, though. It's going to be that cold frontal boundary that kind of stalls out just to the south and east of us. So it's close enough where we'll still see some isolated pop-up shower chances, but ultimately most of the day will be dry, especially the farther north you live, Manchester, Concord, New Hampshire. You're looking good, nice and sunny today. Temperatures in the 60s to start it off, but we're around 70 degrees on Cape Cod. And this afternoon, temperatures will be around 80 with a sea breeze developing along the coast. Overnight, dropping to 65 with the showers that develop in the afternoon coming to an end. Mostly cloudy, primarily overnight. The weekend looking kind of 50-50 here. Saturday, chance for rain, mainly along the south coast and Cape, 71 degrees. And then Sunday, we warm back up to 79, but still a northeast wind. We can't shake that. But there's that area of low pressure as it passes to the south. Extremely heavy rain just offshore. If this does track ever so slightly farther to the north, we can be talking about some heavy rain potential widespread across southeastern Mass. But then by Sunday, everything's still lining up to where we're going to have a sunny day, beautiful end to the weekend. So the rain chances for Saturday, more specifically, about ½ an inch to 1.5 inches. There's a high chance for that on Nantucket, and even towards the outer Cape here, maybe Chatham in that range too. Moderate chance for just under ½ an inch of rain, and then the farther north and west you go, nothing. We could see absolutely no rain in southern New Hampshire. So that could be some good news here, but everyone will be experiencing the northeast wind and kind of keeps their temperatures a little bit on the cool side. We'll be in the low 70s for highs, 60s across the Cape and Islands, where we'll see presumably that rainfall and that northeast wind here, gusting between 30 up to 40 miles per hour, staying quite gusty and still onshore for Sunday, and that's why temperatures will be slightly below normal. Average highs should be in the low 80s, but we'll take it. 79 degrees, cooler along the coast there. And then next week, there's the summer heat, 90 degrees, already back by next Wednesday.